Okay, this is a quick video on how to access the membership system for Ribsa. So basically go to the Ribsa website, ribsa.ie, scroll down a small bit, you'll see there's an online registration. If you click on the entry and registration, it brings you to a new website. So this is basically the Ribsa membership website. In here we have a couple of options. As you see here, I'm already logged in, so if I log out, this is what you're going to see. Okay, if you're an existing member, you can sign in here with your details and it'll log in and you'll be able to see your memberships. You can print off your invoices and that kind of stuff. Okay, so for now, most of you will be logging in. You won't be a member, so you need to register for a new member. So basically you can click on this membership here, register, or you can go to the top membership registration and click this one here. Obviously if you're a club registration, fill in the club registration form, and we also have a bank transfer details. If you click on that, this is for if you win a competition, you need to get paid or anything like that, you can fill in your details here, okay, and send them to Ribsa. So back to the home page. If I click on the player membership registration, click on register, literally what we do is we fill in the details. There. Password. This password here will be your password that you're going to use to log in when you become a member and you need to log in and register for events and stuff like that. You're going to use this password here to sign in on the website. Okay, so the username will be the email address, so it'll be this one here, and the password will be whatever password you type in here. And finally we just select what membership you're paying for. Okay, 21 and over. When we click submit, it brings us to the next page. We just quickly have a look and to make sure everything's alright. €17 owed. We click confirm, and then the last step then is going to pay with your Visa card. So you click on pay now, and as soon as you pay them with your Visa card, you're a member. Okay, so basically without being a member, we're not signed in. Okay, I'm just going to log out here. I'll pause the video and I'll process the payment. Okay, okay, so the payment is the payment for that last order is processed. I go to sign in now. Sorry, before I go to sign in, if I don't sign in and I click on events and I go to access an event, it won't let me actually enter an event because we are not a member. Okay, so this is where we have to sign in from before. So if we click and sign in, I think it was just Jason at Ribsa. So I log in now. I can see all my documents. So I have no documents at the moment. And so basically if I click on events, and now I click on the Ribsa event, now I can enter an event because I'm logged in as a member, and I can enter this and I can pay just like I did when I was registering for the membership. Okay, so straightforward, very hard to go wrong on it. So if you're not signed in, basically you can't enter an event, and to sign in you have to register as a member. So it kind of forces you. Okay, so if I click register here, again it's going to bring up the registration form. The club registration form is there, bank transfer details as I explained already, and your event is all here. So if you're not signed in, you cannot enter an event. Okay.